Kiddokube.
Hey friends, did you know there's a whole world of colors out there that don't include red, blue, or yellow? Yep, today we're diving into the vibrant world of greens, purples, oranges, and more. Let's get colorful. Red, blue, and yellow are called primary colors because they mix to create other colors. But what happens when we skip them? We get awesome colors like green, purple, orange, and a whole rainbow of shades in between. Green comes from blue and yellow, but once mixed, it stands on its own. Purple is made from blue and red. Goodbye primary colors, hello royalty. Orange, a cheerful mix of red and yellow. Let's take a look at where we can find these amazing colors in real life. Green, forests, grass, and even delicious avocados. Purple, gorgeous lavender flowers and juicy grapes. Orange, sunsets and fresh, tangy oranges. Bonus colors, pastels like mint green, lavender, and peach. Did you know some animals see colors differently than we do? And some cultures have unique names for colors we might not even notice. So next time you think of colors, remember there's more to the rainbow than just red, blue, and yellow. What's your favorite color that isn't a primary color?